Welcome to 12-inch apps. This is my MP3 player pages component made for your ArcBlock Pages Kit. It's a really smooth MP3 player, customizable. You get all the tracks uploaded straight from your device. Let's check it out. Here's a couple examples. Here's the top one, custom skin. You can upload an image straight from your device. Also upload the songs. You see the songs appear here. Upload them straight from your device. Hit play. And you're going to hear them playing. You got a rewind button and also a repeat button. So you can see here a couple more examples. This is a video skin, and then this is a more minimal skin here with the light green and the blue. But let's check out how this works. You've launched the blocklet. Now you have the MP3 player ready. You want to know how to use it. But let's check it out. First, once you get your page made, you'll see here in your custom components, you'll be able to load up an MP3 player final. The rest of the parameters are ways that you can customize your MP3 player. Font family, right now is Roboto. I can change this to different fonts. Box color, light blue. Well, this is also something that I could change. Let's say light yellow. Okay. Or I can enable a skin. So you see the skin that I've already uploaded an image. Very easy to upload your image. You just upload it right from your device. It's trying to make this very easy and custom for everybody to use. Every color on here can be changed, customized however you want it. Container can be transparent so that it's just that MP3 player on your screen. How's that look on the phone? This is how it's going to look basically on the phone. Still got everything playable, everything ready to go. Let's get back to this view. So that's the customization of the box. You can change the font, you can change the colors, you can change the skin, you can upload a video. Then our next options are going to be title 1. So that'll be the title of your first song. Song 1, you can upload right from your device here. Same way you upload the image. Title 2, basically the title, and then also upload the image. You could do that for up to 10 songs with this component. So this is a great way for musicians to share their art. This is a great way for podcasters to easily be able to update their page. So easy to use. You could use it on the fly. Once you get one of these custom components loaded onto your blocklet, you can use it as many times as you need. Appreciate you coming over here to 12-inch apps, seeing what we're building. If you have any questions, any comments, reach out to us. We'll get right back to you. Thanks. Have a good day.